Well, we got the batter boards done. I think we're all familiar with that one and that one. We got lines tied to them all. We got these two up with lines. Obviously, we're going to have to do something with the water before we dig. Got this one up over here on the fence there. And that one. That was my just playing around mark. Pretty close, I guess, just for eyeballing it. I'm kind of wondering. I might not have to move my shed. This is the outside of my dig. So my dig's here. I might be all right. And these two. Oh, again, there's my corner when I was just playing around. Really not bad, just eyeballing it. So what we'll do, we got all this marked. We'll drop our lines, dig, pour the footer. When the footer's dry, we'll put our line on the out wall or the outside of the wall. And we'll run those lines, and that'll give me points for where I run my block. Yay. Carry on.